Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about and teach you the easy step how to create a Facebook page and a Facebook group for your business. If you just start doing this is going to be amazing tutorial step by step for you. And let's dive in now. So as you guys see here, this is, after you log into your Facebook, you can just go to, you can see here at the corner right here. Let me move my picture. You're going to see the corner right here that have a plus sign. Is when you hover over it, it's going to say create. So you're going to hit that. And as you can see here, you can create post, story, room, page, add, groups. So let's start with creating group. So we go to group. Let's say, I don't know what your business is about, but I'm going to give example right here. You can do public, private, whatever. Public is mean like only member can join, can see the post. If you can do public, is anyone can join, can see the post. So that's up to you. So most likely I would say if you do a group, you don't want anyone to just come in the group. You want to basically have a series of questions for them before they join. So that's it. Invite friend. You can invite your friend or not. Especially when you start off, you're probably not gonna have a lot of people. You can invite your friend to join. Just start off like to see if there's someone interested in this topic, and then you hit create. So the page is gonna look like this, right? So now you want to change your basically cover page, right? So this is what I use a lot. I use Canva a lot. So you just go to canva.com. Canva have a lot of stuff that it's just like it's already pre-written, it's already pre-designed for you. So basically you can just type in Facebook cover page, right? So you can just click on that because it's have a perfectly sided for you, so you can pick anything you want, or you can just start from blank, right? So after you click on that template, so this is gonna have a template for you. You can change to whatever you want. I usually just delete everything they have here. I don't really like this. You can do whatever you want with it. You can add a picture. I like to start typing with business, online business, see what come up. And you can add hit text. You can resize to whatever. I usually do 100. Okay, and then you just basically you can download. Okay, 101. So basically you save wherever you want. I saved on my desktop. Then you just go back to your Facebook page, and then you can just click edit, upload photo. So I have my business builder there. It's done. So save change for your cover. Like I said, cover can be anything you want. You can basically come in here and add description, what it's all about. That's going to be applied to your group. So then you can create your first post. You already know how to post Facebook posts. And the thing is that when the Facebook group, you can schedule your posts as well. So you can go here. And one thing that I want you guys to add, which is going to be very important, group rules, right? So basically, Facebook have good rules, like you have to be kind, no hate speech, no promotion, no spam, respect, or you can write your own, and then you just write your own thing. But I usually keep it at that because the simple it's better. However, I do have a membership question, because when they join, I will ask them like, what do they need help, right? Where do you hear this from, or right answer. And just said. And then you can create another one. You want the email address so you can send them awesome content. And you just say right answer, save, And I usually do 3. What do you need help most? I usually do multiple choices. I add option. So that's it for that question. Every time that the member asking you to join, they will add this series of questions, and then you can just look at them and approve them, or you can approve automatically. But I usually don't do that. I want to screen them first because I don't want people to spam my group with sometimes they just scam people, which I don't want those people coming to my group and scam all my people, or that I want to build connection and value content to them. So, and you can set, and after that you're done, right? So you're going to go back to your page, go home. So you pretty much done. You can set up, like I said, automatic approval, and pretty much done. You don't have to do much at all, and then you just keep creating posts here as you go. So that's it for Facebook group. However, if you want to create a Facebook page, the step is simple. You can just go back to facebook.com. So basically, go to Facebook, and you just click that plus sign there, and basically you create a page. Okay, so basically same thing. They require name with page information. It's a gonna I'm gonna build something, a page that relate to my group, right? So we can refer back and forth. So business builder 101 category, education. You can just say education consultant or whatever website. You can do more than one too. So business consultant. Okay, so you can add more than one. So or um, something like that. Okay, so that's it. It's easy enough, right? This is the same thing. You can um, and you basically be able to use the same picture on your page. So add a cover, add a profile picture. Profile picture can be your own face or it can be something else. So let me add the cover photo first because I already added there. I recreated it from the group. So it's done there. And then the profile picture, because I want to brand myself. Let's say if you're going to create a content that showing your face, is better to brand yourself by showing your face, right? So basically, I'm going to use my own picture. Um, Let me find it here. So I'm going to use my own face. So that's it. It's going to look like this. So and that's it. You're done. Hit save. Ta-da! And you are done. And you know what? It's one thing that can help you more to utilize this free tool, which is Canva. Canva can help you create posts as well. Let's say, for example, you don't want cover, you want post, right? So you can just say, give me some example here. This is some example that you can use. So I'm gonna start with this one because I love this question. And it's free, right? Gonna show you a neck tab here. Okay, so hey, did you know? So to me, gonna change that to my website, right? My website. And did you know? And you can put whatever you want here. So it said, did you know? Hey, did you know? And they have to look at it. Oops. gonna have to like make this big a little bit so you can see taylorking.com. So basically you say, hey, did you know you can create your online business less than 2 weeks? And if they're interested in, they will just basically click on your link on that post, and then you just download it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do something amazing that you guys really like. Wow, that's really cool, right? So this is what I do. So okay, so basically you go back to your page. So you go back to your page. Then you want to start write some content. Okay. However, make sure that you add all the information that need to, like you can add a service there if you do certain services that you offer to people, or you can invite people to like this page, which it should be easy enough to like the page, for ask people to like the page. So that is all about. Let's go to edit page too. So here you can create username to make it easier for when you share the page to people. Let's say, for example, I will do this. Okay. And it give me a check mark, right? So it means it's good. So next time when I share with people, it can be just facebook.com/bidsbuilder101. It's very easy. You can add all this information here, but it's totally up to you. You don't have to, but I think it will be very helpful. Like if people are looking up for you, want to check it out, you can just, and if you're online, you don't need to add all this. You don't need this at all. So no hours available. So you don't have to add all this, but you can, like private policy is always, good. It's up to you. You don't have to add all this. So then let's see what you have on setting. You don't have to add all this at all. So it's totally fine unless you want to create another person to help you with the page. That's going to be another thing you have to do. But at this level, this is going to be simple enough for you to start your business page. And now we are going to one more thing. You want to add button to learn more. It's gonna help you because you want them to learn more about you, right? So I would say learn more, and then put your website in there so they can learn more about you, what you are about, and how can they find more information about you. So when they come in here, this is going to be like learn more. Okay, so let me go to the page. Everything's look good. So now publishing too. So this one is when you want to post your stuff. Create post. And this is where you can schedule it, right? And then you can link this. If you have Instagram, you can link this as well. But since you don't have it, don't worry about it. Then you can just add a photo that we just created in Canva before. I downloaded in here, so I can just click on that. Bam! Basically, it's done. You can add emoji. You can add whatever you want with it. You can publish now, or you can just schedule it. So that's totally up to you. You can just schedule posts. let's say tomorrow, what time, whatever you want. Okay, so it's done, and tomorrow it will schedule um, it will post it for you at the time that you set up. Actually, but what I'm going to show you, I'm not going to schedule the post. I'm going to take it back, and I'm going to put it at post now so I can share it in the group. So basically, you only do one work once, and then you can reuse repurpose your content. I always repurpose my content, so you don't have to do a lot of work. You want to publish now. So yeah, I want to publish now. And then if you go back to your page, you will see your content there. This with the group. Okay, so click on that group. And you can write something or not, just hit post. So basically you create a post on your page and you just post this on your group. If you go back to your group, you can see I'm at a private group right now and my post is there. So that's basically it. I hope you find it helpful. Let me know if you have any question, comment below. I respond to every comment I got. So hopefully that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tutorial for your businesses. And then if you need help one-on-one, I also share the link in the comment as well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye now. Enjoy your day.